Hello and welcome to another episode. In this episode, we'll look at how to select a picture profile such as S-Log3 for your compatible Sony camera. This brief how-to video won't illustrate how to select a picture profile for the Alpha 7S Mark III. Please see the how-to video on picture profiles for the Alpha 7S Mark III, which will be linked in the bio. To begin, press the menu button, and on the first camera tab, navigate to the page titled Color, White Balance, Image Processing 1. Toward the bottom, there is the setting option Picture Profile. Select this, and here there are 10 different picture profile presets which have been finely tuned by Sony to offer different looks when recording video. For video recording in S-Log3, choose either Picture Profile 8 or Picture Profile 9. Select this, and here you will see all the values related to shooting video in S-Log3, such as gamma curve, color gamut, knee, black level, and so on. For the most part, there is no need to change any of the values. When shooting in S-Log3, the footage on the screen from your camera will look desaturated. This is normal because of the S-Log3 gamma curve captures greater dynamic range from shadows to highlights. To aid when recording in S-Log, your Sony camera has a display assist mode to help you see how the S-Log footage will look after color grading. To turn on Gamma Display Assist, in the menu, navigate to the toolbox icon. On the first page titled Setup 1, there is the option Gamma Display Assist. Select this, and here there are a range of different display assist modes depending on which picture profile you have chosen to film. For simplicity, select Assist Auto, where the camera will automatically apply the correct color display. Remember, this display assist will only show on your camera. When you take the footage to a computer, it will appear desaturated and you will need to color grade the footage there. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you at the next one.